What's up, y'all? Tanya and I got a brand new mattress, ordered it off of Amazon, but now we have to go through the kind of fiasco of getting the old mattress out of the RV and the new mattress in. And the RV park that we're at, you can't just put a mattress in the dumpster. So I'm gonna have to go through the steps of getting the old mattress to an actual dump. So that's what I'm gonna work on today. And I had a bit of a predicament. Now I have a soggy box. Thankfully, when you get these mattresses in a box, they're wrapped up really well in plastic. So this one was delivered yesterday after the dump closed. So I kind of had to choose what I was gonna do. Could I swap them out first and then leave the old mattress out here? But I knew there was rain coming overnight. And I'm thinking, I think I would rather deal with the new mattress wrapped in plastic get wet as opposed to the old mattress sitting out here not wrapped in plastic getting soaking wet before I hauled it to the dump. So that's the choice that I went with, and so that's why it's a soggy box, but that's no big deal, right? Soggy box is easy to deal with. But the other thing I'm thinking about is I've got the hitch and the generator, all that stuff in here. I've only got about 2 miles to drive to the dump, but I'm thinking I probably should take at least the hitch out. Maybe the generator too. We'll see how the mattress goes in there. But let's work on that. I'm thinking get the old mattress out first, then take the new mattress in, cut it open and let it expand on the bed before we set it all up. But it's something that a lot of people, if you don't live in an RV, you don't necessarily think about this stuff when you've got all the room in the house. You have to be much more strategic about moving things like a big king-size mattress around. You can't just go at it. You kind of need a plan before you start. So there's my plan. Now let's get to work. Alright, I got it all brought in here. Turn off the air conditioner for a minute. It's a warmer day today, that's for sure. Not too bad though. We've got the, there is the new king-size mattress. We got a mattress from Lucid. We had bought one for Kira, the 6-inch twin-size mattress, and she liked it. Kaylin was kind of resistant for a while, but finally, after laying on Kira's bed for a bit, she realized she liked it too. So she got one. So when it was time for us to get one, I went ahead and got Lucid as well. Now they didn't make a king size and 6-inch, but it looks like 8-inch should fit. My biggest problem is that little table there next to the bed. That can be a bit of a problem trying to get anything taller under there. So the 8-inch should fit between the bed frame and that little table that hangs out over the mattress. So now, the cool thing is they include, it's like a box cutter or like a letter opener. And you just use this to kind of cut the plastic nice and neat without actually tearing or cutting the mattress. And then it'll have to sit here for a while and basically air out. So that's what I'm gonna work on next. All right, new mattress is deployed. Says that it'll probably need a few hours for it to fully expand from being compressed, but it's doing pretty good so far. Now I gotta work on cleanup. Got all that plastic right there that needs to go out to the trash, and then we got the old mattress, of course, that needs to go to the dump. Kind of utilized every space I could. Kira's on the couch holding all of the blankets. We have like wedges to help like elevate our feet or our back. They're all in the girls' beds. Pillows like shoved down here underneath my laptops. Just kind of shoving stuff everywhere I could. Almost buried, Skittles got a little cubby over there. Almost buried her. She was able to crawl back out. Yeah, it's a crazy process to have to go through and clean all this up and move everything around. But it worked. I was able to accomplish pretty much all this almost alone. Just Kira came and helped move some items out of the way that would be in my travel path of taking the old mattress out. Carrying the new mattress in was Not difficult at all. Yeah, I might be a little bit stronger than some guys, but there's a lot of guys out there that are a lot stronger than me. So the majority of people out there should be able to lift an 8-inch Lucid king-size mattress all rolled up. It wasn't that difficult. Honestly, the biggest problem usually with mattresses is their awkward shape. The other problem too is, which is kind of gross, old mattresses have been soaking up our sweat for years. That makes them heavier too. New mattress, nice and clean. I'm excited. Are you excited? You probably don't care. All right, time to work on cleanup. It's fettuccine time. Woohoo, fettuccine. You make some amazing fettuccine.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
This evening blue had nothing to do but lay around with my thoughts of you. Why is it so tough and the world so lame?
Somebody caught wind that there's a mattress to jump on.
That was me.
Like, we could jump on your old mattress? Sure, it's going in the trash.
So before, we gotta make it into good use and destroy the things out.
So they can have some fun. And we'll figure out, do I need to take out the hitch to put the mattress in there to take it to the dump? It probably would be okay.
But also really hard.
Well, Asia, you see the silver thing?
Yeah.
That's poking up. That'll just poke the mattress up, but we only have to drive like 2 miles.
Is it heavy?
The mattress?
No, like the silver things.
No, the silver thing weighs less than you do.
What?
Yeah, it's made out of aluminum.
Aluminum.
Aluminum is light.
So that means it weighs lighter than Kira because I'm heavier than her.
Yes, it weighs less than Kira. Thanks for your help, girls.
Thank you. I mean, you're welcome.
What can you say but hey?
Can I? You're welcome. Okay. The diamond play button.
You want the diamond play button?
Yes.
You've got lofty goals. Wow.
Well, the one you should be wanting to get is the red diamond play button.
Oh my goodness, that sounds like a lot. I don't think...
Yeah, it was made last year.
Oh, who was it for?
Everyone.
No, like who got it?
Who got the first one?
The red diamond one. Mr. Beast?
Of course, FGTV.
Alright, so I left the hitch in there. That just kind of went up and over that. And there was enough pressure on the sides I could tuck it down into 3 corners. So it's in there pretty tight. We've only got to go, like I said, about 2 miles to go to the dump. So this should stay. Just in case it doesn't stay, I've got a GoPro to watch it, because that'll be entertaining, right? Alright, let's go to the dump. Alright, so to go and dump the mattress cost $9.60. There's a few other things I dumped, like the old leg from the canopy, a plastic bin that had cracked up, some cardboard. We filmed a bunch of good footage about the dump site, but then when I walked into the office, I recorded like the office and the prices just to share with y'all. And someone from the back office came forward and was like, "Excuse me, sir, were you recording? You can't record here." And she was very nice. They asked what our YouTube channel is. They said they probably will watch our videos, so I definitely can't share that footage. It's been interesting. I've had more problems in the state of New York telling me that we can't film stuff than ever. I don't know if I've ever been told we couldn't film.
Never.
Only in New York. This is the 3rd or 4th time now where we've been told that we can't film stuff. So that's interesting. Like I said, she was nice, she was polite, she was friendly. I didn't feel, you know, she just asked like, why are you doing it? And I just said, hey, we're making a daily vlog about our RV life, and you know, it's interesting trying to get rid of a mattress, and so the kind of steps I would go through while living in an RV to get rid of a mattress. Oh, okay. So then she wrote down the YouTube channel. So I get the feeling that if we posted the footage that we got from the dump, they may come after us legally. And we don't want that fun, so we won't post that footage. But I'm just kind of curious why people in New York are so uptight about cameras. Anyway, we need to get back to making our bed so we can sleep on it tonight.
Yes.
I think our new mattress is already fully inflated, and now we got to put sheets and blankets and pillows back on it. So, back to the fun. So I was hoping for a mattress that was a little thicker, more plush than an 8-inch mattress. It just wouldn't fit a larger than 8-inch mattress with that table over on the side. So we went to Walmart and we got this. If you notice, it says queen. And we don't generally use like all of the space of a king-size bed. We had this exact 3-inch memory foam mattress topper when we had our first RV. We had the original RV mattress in there, which a lot of people know are hard as a rock and very hard to sleep on. And then we put this on top of it, and it made a huge difference, and it made that bed sleepable. So what we're going to do now, we're going to put a queen size mattress topper, which shouldn't go under the side of that table over there in the corner. The sheet should still fit around it, everything, and then we can put the bed back. And now we'll have a more plush, soft bed to sleep on. I'm excited. Alright, we got our new mattress all put in place along with the mattress topper, old mattress taken to the dump, and we are done. Tanya and I are excited to go to bed. Too bad it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It would have been nice if we could have washed the sheets and everything today too, but that's just, it felt like a lot to do already, as well as still having to work my full-time job, and I guess we'll stick to washing the sheets on another day. We're excited. I'm sitting on it right now. Like, I put the cushion down. So I have a seat cushion and a pillow that I put on top of the mattress, and then I sit here on the edge of the bed, and it's cool because now my feet, the way that they're hanging down on the floor, feels more appropriate for like an office setting. Before, I felt like my legs were kind of crossing as I would sit here, and so now it actually is the appropriate distance. So that is terrific. I've been having a lot of shoulder and hip pain and back pain. Me being a heavier guy, our older mattress, it was definitely kaput under my side. Tanya still felt like she had some decent cushioning on her side, but I'm just too big. But now we got a new mattress. These mattresses, this Lucid one was between $300 and $400, delivered for free by Amazon. And I noticed, this is a cool thing, while I didn't take advantage of it, they had an option to pay extra for where the delivery person would take it. Did you know that, Tanya?
No.
For like 20 bucks, they could have actually brought the box all the way in the bedroom.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that was an option on Amazon that I'd never seen before. I thought that was pretty cool.
I don't need that.
Yeah, we don't, but there are people out there that maybe aren't as capable as I am and would, you know, that kind of a service was nice.
Yeah.
So that's something cool to know about. So, new mattress, just a little under $400, mattress topper about $120. I am kicking myself though when I look at the amount that the mattress topper, the space, not quite as far over as I was hoping. And maybe I should have just got the king and then cut out a groove where that table is back there. Oh well, live and learn. And then $9 something to take the old mattress to the dump. And remember, don't record anything at the dump. Honestly, in New York, you gotta be careful where you're recording, because somebody's got an opinion about it around every corner. I don't know what their problem is. Other places are like, oh, are you gonna make me YouTube famous? That's the most common response I get when I'm recording stuff. But not in New York. Nope, not in New York. You can't record things here. Is it the mafia? All right, y'all. Remember that life happens. Even people telling you to put your cameras away. Don't let that stop you.
Stay fresh, cheese bags. And subscribe. Subscribe, please.